Hi guys, today we will compare two more men's wallets. Now this one happens to be from Urban Forest. This is the Urban Forest wallet, and then the other one is from Red Tape. Let's go ahead and check them out. So this is the wallet, which looks like you would find 3 card slots. There is a chain. So there's a zipper, which I would say, which is for keeping some extra cash or extra things. There is a coin holder. There's a flap which has again a small button where you can find 2 slots, which is for keeping your ID cards. There's another slot which is for 3 credit cards, and then another one which is transparent, which is for the ID cards. This is how it looks like. Texture wise, this has a leather finish to it, and has those patches of gray and brown. So I would not really call it's like dark brown and black. That's what I see. There is a engraving of a lion here, which I am not sure. There is the Urban Forest branding. You can see it here. So this is how it looks like. Nice. I would say that this has a nice feel to it. This is how it is. Now let's come to the next one. This is slightly more compact, slightly more thin. This has a dual tone. This is in black, and there is a brown outer layer to it, the top layer. We open this. So this has 3 card slots here. This has 3 more card slots. There is the flap design here where you would see that the flap opens. You have 3 more card slots. You have 1 slot for the ID where you can keep the transparent, which is see-through, and then you have the 2 slots for the notes. This is how it looks like. The feel is genuine, kind of like leather. The texture is pure black. This one has slightly more texture. This has a smooth texture. This is the logo of Red Tape, and this is what it is. So this is the whole purse. Like if you kind of compare both of them, you would see this is slightly bulkier and slightly bigger. This is slightly smaller and more nice, which I feel that way. This again, I think, appeals more to a specific genre, but this is more classy and looks all weather. And this dual tone actually gives it a nice feel to it. It gives a nice look, not just all black or all brown, but this has a dual tone to it. That's it. This has an RFID safe thing. This I don't see it anywhere here, so I don't think this is RFID. This one is. So that's it. Thank you.